I got bored, so I made a little Ricer slow motion montage. A little surprise at the end, Ricer moments. Enjoy.
Yeah, get it, baby! Yeah, boy! Fuck yeah, we got some bald eagles up in this bitch!
Yeah, boy. Yeah. Transition. All right, boys, I could hear exhausts already happening. I could hear pops. Got to catch a fat flyby. Massive V8s down there. You could hear it. Here we go, boys. I'm gonna shut up now. Yeah, boy. Yeah.
So anyways, there was that montage, a little bit of edginess in there, and Ricer Moments Part 1. Hopefully we could get some more Ricer Moments going. I have calmed down quite a bit. That was about a year and a half ago, but I'm still down to get a little crazy with my friends' cars, so we'll see how it pans out. Thanks for spending your time here watching this video, and hope to see you around. Bye. Thanks.